We have a Toyota Camry here, pretty bad shape. And look what we did, great, right? So here's a video for you, the before. Pretty bad, pretty weathered. I think this car was like a 2015 or something. Toyota Camry. Looks like a lost cause, right? Really bad. Look at that. What a shame. But have no fear. Look at this diamond coming up. We're located in South Florida. We come to your home or office. Text us your pictures or call us 754-302-0769. We're mobile. We come to your house. We come to your work. And we will take care of your headlights. Give us a call, 754-302-0769. Thank you for watching.